welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating videos online that are given by players to share. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Amenities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. And offers are available on the policy along with and signing policies. For booking or more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problems in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.